Hey guys, welcome to my introduction to concrete video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a brief introduction to concrete. The purpose of having this video is to assist you in your lecture classes and give you a quick overview on the chapter in under 5 minutes. The contents of this video will focus on the definition and the description of properties, application, concrete effects, concrete force, concrete composition, and lastly concrete tests, problems and production. Now, let's jump right into it. Firstly, we have the definition and description on concrete. Concrete is a building material made from a mixture of broken stone or gravel, sand, cement, and water. This mixture is spread or poured into molds, also known as formworks, and forms a stone-like mass on hardening. Next, the application on concrete. Concrete are either precast in the factories or cast on site as an in-situ concrete. It's usually cast as subfloors, floors, walls, and frames. The visual appearance of concrete is greyish and it takes the form of its mold. While the maintenance, raw concrete usually absorbs stains and generates dust, but it can be avoided by painting or sealing the concrete surface, thus making it impervious to stains. Now, let's go into the defects of concrete. There are dry concrete, concrete with alkali silicate reaction, sulfate attack, and reinforced bar corrosion. Concrete force. There are several types of concrete forces on concrete. Usually, it's either bending, strain, shear, torsion, adhesion, and point load. In composition, we will understand that concrete is a heterogeneous material consisting of cement, aggregate, and water. There are instances where admixtures are added for specific reasons such as to speed up the curing process and etc. Water whereby is a reacting agent between cement and other materials or chemicals. My next part of this video focuses on concrete tests, problems, and production. We commonly use slump tests upon arrival of ready-mix concrete. Then there is compacting factor test, Veep consistometer test, and flow test. Concrete problems whereby consist of segregation, which separates the concrete mixture, and bleeding allows the rise of water from the concrete to the surface above the concrete. Lastly, concrete production. First step, transport of sand, cement, and aggregate to the batching plant. Secondly, concrete is casted on site or batching plant. Thirdly, concrete is poured into formwork. Fourthly, compact the concrete using the vibrator. And lastly, permit curing. I do hope you enjoyed the video. This is the end of my video. I do hope you subscribe as you will be updated with more construction videos. Thank you. See you soon.